What is the goop used for?
I don't even know what Goop is.
Goop, I think.
Goop is the company name.
Oh, goop. Steel Crusader or something.
So the first guy is just Steel Crusader. Holy mother of God, he's got it right.
I don't care. I won't ovulate.
You don't.
Anyway.
But anyways,
I won't
price.
ovulate anyway.
Price.
Then you look at me and said you want to.
Stop. Oh, it's really very hard.
Okay,
Yes, sir. That's
Not-
what she said.
No, yeah.
cool.
Okay.
So, product number 21, buzzers ready, boys.
All set. Let's go. Bro, what, dude? Please, come on.
1 hour later.
Dude, safest bet is for you to get -2. Please guess.
Not -2 Laude.
-6.
-6 I'll
You
get.
could very well get -6.
Why? What is this? You don't know. No one knows. More clues.
So, if you guys don't answer, I will take away 2 passes from everyone.
You have to answer the other two. You'll get -2,
Pass.
-2.
Fine, no problem. Fine.
He's actually smart. He did
What
the
is
right
this
thing.
sabotage?
I passed.
Pass.
He passed.
Pass.
You-
What I'll do? What I'll do, you tell?
I have no name. Pass.
So, it's 2 words.
Pass. I don't
Okay.
know.
Just to give. Oh, no, actually, it doesn't make sense. Fuck it. Pass.
I passed. Yeah.
You also passed.
He
How
can
many passes
Now
left?
What you'll do?
So, you're left with 3,
Just reveal it, da.
5.
5,
4.
4.
Just reveal it.
So, the name is a spring epilator. Okay. Now, if I ask you for the usage, what do you think the usage would be?
I feel
Yeah.
like something it's used on the nose. I don't know. I'm guessing that.
I'm
I don't know
still
what it's
stuck
used
at
for.
forearm training only.
Stop
Later.
thinking about it is used for growing muscles and start thinking about something else. I've already told you it's used shoulder and
I don't
above.
even know what an epilator is. Dude.
Yeah,
That
what
was
is an
nice.
epilator?
Actually, I know what an epilator
Yeah,
is.
epilator
Yeah.
is.
I mean, I
I've
knew what an
heard-
epilator
I've heard
is.
the word, but I
Yeah.
don't.
So if you know what an epilator is, you know what it is.
Yeah, that's the thing. No,
That's
I don't
the
know what
main
an
thing.
epilator is.
I'm going with forearm.
I've given you a hint. It's not
Above
that.
shoulder.
So, Rejo,
I don't know what else to.
Is it to like remove any inflammation or something like that?
remove
not-
information.
Inflammation.
Inflammation.
Yeah.
I was like,
Some
what? He's
doctors are-
hacking or something.
Okay, continue.
No, it's used to removing for facial hair. So it ha-
Epilator, yeah.
So it
fuck.
has a spring, and you do that, and your hair gets caught between the spring.
Wait,
and
so
your-
that's what the threading thing essentially is, but they use an epilator instead.
no
is it?
threading is different. Threading.
Threading also gets caught between the.
Yeah, it does, but I think this hurts more, I guess.
Obviously, it's a fucking.
That looks
Yeah,
just
this hurts more. This
painful,
hurts more.
dude. My God.
So if
Next time we'll trim your beard.
Dude, we'll use that on him.
No.
so,
Oh fuck! Imagine that is a punishment.
Be worried.
Could be.
You just took a
I'm being
-2.
caught on camera. It's fine.
could be. What?
It is.
We are
I'm not
shooting a
showing my
punishment.
face. I'm not showing
No,
my
no.
face.
Okay, cool. We'll
I
do
will
it for your
show
leg
later.
then. We'll do it for your leg in case, but it's not. But anyways, the
Price
price.
you have to guess.
$100.
Okay.
180.
Okay. 250.
250.
900
Oh.
bucks for the
That's the
spring,
MRP.
yeah.
Product number 22.
All
We
right,
have-
All right.
What?
Is it a vibrator?
So your guess is vibrator.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to have a free guess?
I feel like it's those, those the hot stones that they put on the back during massage. I think it's that.
I think that's a good guess, but I mean, I wouldn't have guessed that also. It's a good guess, but it's not that.
Dude, it's just magnets if you put on top that.
Yeah, they'll put that in bag and give her.
Okay.
My guess is the magnets. Grrrr, they'll do now.
Rattlesnake.
Boys.
What is
It's
it?
called a jade egg goop.
The hell is that?
-2. Guess.
So -2. Now, the usage.
Jade egg goop. A goop. What is a goop used for?
I don't even know what Goop is.
Goop, I think.
Goop is the
Goop.
company name.
Oh, goop.
So you cannot, don't try deriving anything from goop.
Jade egg.
Dude.
Okay, I'm again going for that reducing inflammation. I mean to reduce inflammation in the skin. Like as soon as you wake up, your face is puffy or swollen up.
That's if you drink too
reduce
much
that.
in the night. Okay.
I'm going to guess if you have acne or pimples, you press that and
Okay.
I'm gonna guess it's for entertainment. It's just
For entertainment.
magnets just going grrr.
Okay.
Harness the power of energy work, crystal healing, and
Oh my god.
Kegel like physical practice.
Okay. So now,
I got -4.
okay. Now,
I told vibrator first of all.
now, there's a bonus question. There is a prize. Do you want me to do the bonus question before or after the prize?
Kegel
So-
like physical practice.
Okay, prize. No, it's sorry, it's in dollars.
It's in dollars.
Yeah, before you guess.
Oh, then can I just guess?
Oh,
it's fine.
yeah.
I mean, because I think I'm going to lose. I'll just guess. I don't want to pass.
Okay,
So then start again.
Okay,
Okay.
go ahead.
It's probably $500.
Okay.
$400.
$380. It'll be some
Good.
thousand.
Oh fuck.
Bro,
-6.
the usage is bigger than the price now. What the fuck
Yeah,
is that?
seriously.
If you can tell me how it is used, like what you do with the stone, I will give you +2 if someone wants to buzzer.
It's a bonus, so nothing. I think you put it in water.
That's not a bath bomb, dude.
What is that?
And then drink the water later.
Go ahead. You only guess next.
I think it is like you meditate and you throw the magnets on top. Like every 2 minutes, like meditating. There's no negative points. Just answer
I think
something.
you just rub it between your hands.
I mean, I would have guessed the same.
Dude, it's some
You
heating-
either sleep with it under the pillow or rub it between your hands.
Dude,
No,
is it the
rub it
thing that I
between
said
your
first? Heat it and put it on your back.
I mean, that would have also been a good guess, but no.
What is
So, this you put inside your vagina.
Then that is a vibrator. Come
It's
on.
not a vibrate. It doesn't vibrate.
da.
It doesn't vibrate. It doesn't have a motor.
That way,
You vibrate?
that way tampon also is a
By the
fucking
way,
vibrator.
just- Moving on to the next question, boys. Buzzers ready?
Yeah.
Anyway, no point. Like, I'm holding up.
No, that and all how you know it goes inside your vagina. No. Oh no! Wait!
So the name of the product.
The name of the product I don't know. I can tell you the usage.
I
you
want
want-
the name first, then we move on to the usage. I'll
Okay,
come back to you.
name. It is Steel Crusader or something.
So the first guy is just Steel Crusader. Can we have the second guess, please?
No, I don't want to call it anything. The
Okay.
whole opener, I thought.
Nah, I don't want to guess.
Okay. So the name is. It's a speculum.
Thank you.
Okay, wait.
And you-
So did he pass?
No, I didn't
No.
pass.
He guessed.
Or you guessed?
I guessed. I have -2.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna get +4.
Usage.
It's used in gynec clinics for examination of the vagina.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the last question is, where are you most likely to see it?
Is it a bonus or what?
Hey.
Gynec clinic.
Hey, no.
No, it's 2 points. It's 2 points. It's not 4 points. Okay.
Okay.
Moving on to the next product, boys.
Yeah.
Is
The fucking doctors on top, they'll be looking, they'll be thinking they're fucking
The-
perverts over here. They're just looking at
is the
Hey, fuck this. Anyway, my last one.
Yeah, it is a
Okay.
fucking punishment.
This is a whitehead remover.
why will they discriminate? Why
good, da.
why will they discriminate between a whitehead remover and a blackhead?
So
remover?
whiteheads can't be
Take risk on
removed.
something good.
Go. Get +1 fast.
Name. Okay.
I don't know. How will I
So
get
if
a
you guys
plus
want to
one?
guess, free guesses, fast.
Stitching.
Stitching. The other needle is the guess.
Is it to like shave the leg or something?
Okay.
Say it faster.
The name. Shaver.
Shaver, yeah.
Okay. It's a cuticle
Cuticle
remover.
What is a cuticle?
Exactly where the usage comes in. So if you know the meaning of cuticle, that's where the usage comes in.
Cuticle. You're looking like a cuticle, babe. Babe, tell me what a cuticle is.
काफी cuticle लगती तुम आजकल.
आजकल बहुत cuticle लगती रे.
Dude, fine, pass. Take.
Cuticle.
Actually, I want you to answer. Go ahead.
Cuticle is these things that they remove.
What is it?
Correct.
Yeah, even I knew that.
What is
You
cuticle?
knew?
Yeah, there's extra parts in the.
On the
Fingers.
the skin that touches the nail, like that part.
Okay, huh.
So that's cuticle.
Oh yeah. I
So
remember
that's
that.
the
Thanks for
Usage.
the pass, bitch.
voice.
Thanks
Okay.
for the pass.
Coming back to you. Fill in the blank first. Prize I'll give you anyways. There is a prize.
What
Okay.
in the blank?
What is +2 -1?
So it's a +2 -1. It won't be for +4 minus.
Okay, so show the
okay.
blanks.
Oh, there is no prize. My bad.
Okay.
Yeah, you
don't
can
get
actually
this-
get an easy +2.
A manicure.
Correct.
Yeah.
Product number 25 is.
I think I know this, but then
Hey,
I don't
fucking
know
shame the decently do it.
no, but I
Dickhead.
don't think it's that.
I think I know what it seems.
How is getting angry? Look at his face. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Name after his name.
Yeah, so
I only know
you
one.
buzzed. Name, buddy.
Hey, why do I keep doing this to it?
Go ahead, tell me the name.
I don't know if it's right. Pasties.
Holy mother of God, he's got
What
it
is
right.
pasties? I don't even know what pasties.
It's a thing they use for
Usage?
to stick. So they when they're using some not topless, something so
Oh.
that their
Without a bra, if they're supposed to go on.
bra doesn't come off.
Dude, Andy wears this, dad. It's not fair, no. Andy wears this in a
Yeah,
marathon.
correct.
The prize.
Oh, Holy moly, boys.
Fuck. Oh,
You know what?
I wouldn't have gotten it at all.
Uh,
Okay, he should win it for that.
Yeah, I mean, he deserves to win it for this. Honestly, he deserves to win it for this.
Man,
Price-
this has too much free time, I think.
Price
but still.
200
$200 in
Dollars.
case if you guys want to guess.
Rupees, sir.
dollars.
Yeah, rupees. No, rupees.
Rupees,
Rupees.
Rupees.
$200. Are you insane?
Okay, no. Two,
MRP.
3K.
3K.
$200.
Okay.
1.2k.
Okay.
That's cheaper.
Oh, fuck, I'm not in 50.
You've missed it. Product number 26.
Getting it.
Product number 26, boys.
For last
The
one.
last product
So I'm going to pass for sure.
is
It looks like some torture device.
yes. Can you tell me the name, please? GB.
I'm going to say Threador.
Oh, dude.
No, wait. It says.
Okay.
Wait. I want the name. Do not tell me the usage.
The
Don't
first
give
Tesla emblem.
hints. Name, not the usage. Name.
Yeah, I want to tell a name.
Even I'll get -4 anyway.
no.
Da. Chill. I still have passes left after the
Honestly,
session
if
is
you
over.
answer these,
It's T something. I forgot what it's called exactly. I know everything about it though. It's okay if
then
I don't get
it
the
would be a smart thing to not guess the
yeah,
answer.
that's why I don't want
Go
to
ahead,
guess what the rest of it.
Pregna.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I have to ask you the usage, what do you think a copper tea does? What does it do?
Why does it look like if you pee on it, you'll get shock?
No, it's dude, we learned in school also, dude.
I feel like this is
About
to
this?
check. I mean, like maybe an alternative to ultrasound or something. I don't know. To check if you're pregnant.
I'm taking that as a usage.
Yeah, I meant like to check like if you're pregnant or not. I don't know. Maybe you put it on the uterus and see. I don't know.
Pregna 388.
That is the product number or name. So that's why I've kept it
380 ampere.
Yeah, but
there. The
is it-
actual product name is just copper.
I think it's to get rid of. Get +1.
yeah,
Get rid
it's,
of.
it's contraception. The usage.
No, it's contraceptive is different. That dumb fuck.
You want
Contraceptive is before. I'm saying you're already pregnant and to get rid of the
contraceptive is also after.
Hey,
No.
balls to you.
Okay, I don't know what contraceptive is. Whether it's
Okay, what are my guesses that
No, I want you to describe your guess. Go ahead.
contraceptive? You pee on it, you get shock and the
Hey.
what?
Bro. What is that, huh? Dude, I swear.
I told you contraceptive.
God,
Anyways.
that's too much.
Dude.
If you had to guess, Raja.
It's
Because it's free, I'm going to let both of them guess, and whoever is closer gets the point. Okay.
Who both?
Those two, not you.
Why?
it is
Yours is very
to
far
stop ovulation. Yeah, long term.
Yep.
Yeah.
He's right.
10 years.
What?
Yeah.
It stays inside.
It stays
you
inside,
keep
yeah.
it- that
So-
thread doesn't stay inside, by the way.
So
just
it's
to
the surge.
take it in
I
and-
think they do something like so. You
Yeah,
have to visit a
surgically-
doctor to get it done. You
Yeah,
don't have to do it.
surgically put
yourself.
in.
What does IUD stand for? I think that only gives the-
Intrauterine device.
Oh.
So I mean, dude, you from the name you should have known what it is. It's
price is there or what? What is next?
price.
Ah.
Whatever. You're only it's your turn. You don't know.
Do I get at least +1 for that tea? Whatever I knew it's some tea.
No, you don't get +1
No,
for
for the name you want.
But for the usage you get +1. So
Okay.
I don't
plus
mind,
one,
you can give
that's
it to
all
them right now.
But he said to prevent ovulation. It just says pregnancy there. It didn't say ovulation.
I mean that's
No,
what it does.
you don't ovulate at all if you put that.
I don't care. I won't ovulate.
don't.
Anyway.
But anyways,
I won't
price.
ovulate anyway.
price.
He looked at me and he said, "You want to
Stop.
It is what 10 years up, so it's 12K.
10-year treatment with 12K is too less.
That's calculation. Go ahead.
1.5 lakh.
Okay, 50K. Oh, what?
What?
Oh, only the item.
Yeah, only the item.
Oh.
I wasn't talking about the procedure.
Dude, I would be very uncomfortable putting something worth just 280 rupees inside me, dude.
So, boys.
Yeah.
And
Such a boring minus.
One cake. Fuck. 25 points, sir.
Oh,
So he's gotten 25 points, which is actually pretty good.
It's
Raja,
insane.
6, sir.
Second last, or second is
6.
you 5. And last is
And GB.
So sad.
Minus
-7.
7. Oh my god. Oh
So
my
boys,
god.
we have gone and concluded. Okay, so now we will change the camera angles. I'll come behind you guys.
Okay.
Okay. So, and I'll tell you what the punishment is.
He has it in his tummy. He has it in his tummy.
Okay, so boys, I'm gonna reveal what the punishment is.
Alright, boys, I'm gonna do it.
Okay, and yes, so Dheeraj gets to do the punishment,
Yes.
and on the receiving end will be
Mr. GB.
Mr. GB.
Alright,
So,
alright.
The punishment is wax strips.
Oh, fuck.
So we will have wax strips.
Where
GB,
are you
GB,
wax?
GB, GB.
I'll also wax.
Chalo, done.
Okay, if wherever you wax, he'll wax this one.
How about here?
Huh, yeah, the starting. The start.
No, I want inner thigh.
You get
Sure.
another thigh done.
Let him get in your feet, da fucking.
There is
No,
nothing
there's
there.
no
No,
hair.
I don't know.
It's there, dude.
Oh my god. I just saw him and it came back, bro. For a second, I thought he stuck it.
No, I was going to.
Oh,
Should I hold the camera in my hand?
Hey, give me one wax strip.
I am scared to
I'm
pull it
waxing
down.
Dhiru.
Wait, 1 second.
Tell when you're removing.
Wait. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Should I take it out?
Be uncomfortable. Yes, theory, no? What is that YouTube channel?
Why are you closing your ears now?
Am I saying this?
Yes. Oh my god.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
can't
see?
believe
You don't want to hear the pain or what? You don't want to hear the.
Just tell me when you're going to do it, okay?
Dude,
Like,
Tell,
no, all
tell
of
3,
us.
2, 1 and then pull.
no, I'm scared.
Pull.
Just pull
Yeah.
at once.
Dude, if you don't pull, then it's a problem. So pull.
3, 2, 1.
That's all.
Nothing happened, though.
That didn't hurt.
Because he pulled it fast. If he pulled it slowly, it would have
Oh
hurt you.
my god, this looks scary as fuck. Oh
God, that. Oh.
Nothing happened to him.
No, that didn't hurt.
Okay, pull slowly this time. Pull a little
That on the-
slowly.
On the inside it hurt.
hand, no, from here.
No, pull a little slowly.
Inside it hurt.
Don't. You'll get rashes, Papa.
Dude, you go that side and pull like this. How you'll pull this
Like this?
quickly? You'll be able to pull. No, fine.
Pull slowly, da. It's okay.
Ah, that hurt.
This hurt,
Smooth.
Bro, smooth. Hey!
Smooth like Jagger.
You bastard. Dude, that's still a
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, okay, don't do that. Yeah, please. Chee. No. Please. No. Not that. I don't want that. Put fresh one if you want. Not that.
On your face, you put.
Hey, madam. Hey. No.
You also
Dude, actually, you were horrible.
Dude, you
Hey, I was not horrible. I was just buzzed late. Give that other. I was not. Hey, why? I didn't lose.
It hurt.
I didn't lose. Wait.
Dhiru is deciding.
What are you deciding? Wait. No.
Put.
Hey, fuck you people.
nothing can happen.
Wait. At least tell me where. Tell me where I'll be prepared.
Yeah,
Oh no. Put on top. That is loose.
Put on
Very
top.
loose.
Okay, here.
Put. Oh.
There's no hair there.
Okay, here.
That much
Yeah,
is
yeah.
okay, Raja.
Cool. Now, rotate your legs.
Oh fuck, that's on the calf. I think I'll die. Wait.
Wait.
Yeah, but there's a little bit skin on the loose.
Okay, wait. I need to put it on the other side also.
Yeah.
Just put it here. Not other side. Just put it here. The other way.
Yeah.
Bastards. Why did he go so high, da?
I never knew pasties will come.
No, but honestly, you don't deserve the thing only because of pasties. Pasties, I think, was an insane guess. Like, you won the thing because of pasties.
Mama. Hey, I won. What you are?
I
No,
know.
actually, wait.
Okay, wait.
Hold
Can
here.
I?
Yeah. Host.
You are hosting one lady.
Host.
One. Out of two, one will do.
Fast,
3, 2,
fast.
1.
Bastard! I'll hit you. Don't do that.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I'll slap you, da.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. 3. Mr. Balkan, we
No,
can
it grow in next 3 days. No,
For me, it'll grow quickly.
no,
anything.
waxing you won't grow. Waxing it won't. Shaving.
Yeah, you remove the root
We're
also,
ready,
right?
sir. Mr. Akshay Palkar, we're ready. Skadoosh. We're ready.
No, I feel this is going to pain more than the previous one.
Huh?
I feel this is going to. Yeah, because it's towards the softer. Ah, no! Ah, at least count.
Why did you leave in between?
I think mine looks better.
Hey, mine's too evident, dude.
What is this
Give me
box?
the vibe.
Who is the real loser here?
Oh, dude, it's damn nice, da.
Yeah, but the skin is damn good, no? Sticky though.
Oh, now I know why Katrina Kaif does this.
Won't be me.
Like, she'll do like this now.
I am so happy.
That ends our episode. So do like, share, and subscribe for further challenges and further podcasts as well as game shows.